How the IKEA, the furniture shop, applies information technology in their workplace. Introduction. Ingvar Kamprad Elmträdgård, IKEA, refers to a worldwide home products retailer that focuses on selling furniture as well as other related accessories around the world. The company initiated flat-pack design furniture at considerable prices and is now perceived to be the largest furniture retailer. It reaches a large group of people. It has 114 stores in the world which have existed for about 25 years. There are two businesses that make IKEA. IKEA Holding BV is the center of all company groups and the Swedwood industry that specializes in making furniture. All the stores of IKEA are franchised and run by franchisees. The company originated in Småland, Sweden, and shares out its products through its retail openings. Information technology application. Information technology is dynamically being used throughout the entire IKEA company, giving help and developing the systems that are required to adequately match the company's ways of working. A current IT network promotes the sharing of information effectively within the IKEA company, processes the required orders, and facilitates smooth communication with dealers as well as customers. Through the availability of the network, the distribution of the designed products is done easily and a large group of people are reached. Through communication, IKEA makes catalogs that are made available to 250 million homes. IKEA as a department is responsible for catalog designing and is well staffed by creative designers, art directors, copywriters, and photographers. The department produces a variety of publicity and information reaching many consumers and coworkers. The presence of the website has also propelled the company to move to great heights in terms of operation. Some of the products are ordered online by the customers. This, to a larger extent, has ensured that the products reach every corner of the world. IT has also been applied in trademark in the brands of the IKEA company. There is a unique trademark which clearly defines the products manufactured by the company. The trademark logo, which bears the name that is designed geometrically in a yellow oval shape and is specifically placed in a blue shaded rectangular shape. This helps in hastening the identification of the available retail stores together with catalogs for customers. The products that are manufactured by the IKEA company have a unique design. They are designed in such a way that it is easy for the customer to put or assemble the various parts together. This enables the company to minimize the costs in packaging if not for shipping error. The flat pack kind of distribution mode makes it easy for transport by public means to the customer's place and for assembly. IKEA has strengthened its product base to connect flat pack houses. This is aimed at reducing the prices for first-time buyers taken home. IKEA has managed to initiate Family Mobile, which is a practically enabled kind of mobile network phone. This phone is facilitated by a T-Mobile network in operation. The products of the company have been given a unique naming formula which is specifically of Swedish origin. These names are based on a unique naming system that was designed by IKEA with an international expert in naming furniture enthusiasts. The unique identification of the company with the branding and logos makes the design of its products unique, and this makes the customers to rely on the products because of their maintained identity. The strong production origin of IKEA in Sweden and with stable supply of wood origin make its production continuous, and with the advanced technology of mobile network and catalog communication implemented by the IKEA and several outlets, this is because of the shared objectives throughout the business with the technology of franchising and reaching a large population. The corporate structure. The arrangement is composed of two key parts, which are operations and franchising. A good number of operations entail store management, design, and manufacture of the products. Supplies as well as purchasing of functions are carried out by IKEA Holding, which is a private and profit-oriented company. The stores are located in over 66 nations and only 235 are taken care of by IKEA Holding. The remaining stores, which are around 30, are effectively and efficiently controlled by franchisees that are outside IKEA Holding. The use of a managed network enhances the sharing of information within the various stores. As a result, the services are managed in the most effective way. The introduction of GIS as a system for wood sourcing has really helped in determining the region of wood origin and resource forest data availability at the regional level. The developed database by use of ArcView 9.2 software helps in tracing the origin of wood and for decision support management. There's information tracking about the territorial divisions for defining the wood origin. This has made it possible for IKEA to have a good and well-informed database which contains all the information about its suppliers because it deals in large retailing of home products. Conclusion. In conclusion, it is important to note that the use of information technology has played a major role in ensuring that IKEA attains its set objectives. The company should therefore explore other possible channels that will ensure that the level of IT is fully attained and embraced. This will act as a way of ensuring that the company remains one of the top suppliers of furniture products.